So, you've been given the incredibly soul-sucking task of separating 10,000 names into first and last names. Riveting stuff. It's like watching paint dry if the paint also lectured you about data formatting. We're talking separating Marsh from Mellow, Chip from Monk, Neil to Down. Yeah, it's going to take you forever, possibly longer than you can hold down a job. But hey, good news. There are a few super easy ways to get this done, no crying in the break room required. Let's get started. Step 1. First, select all those names like you're gathering your army for spreadsheet domination. You're probably on the home ribbon where dreams go to die, so head over to the data ribbon. Find Text to Columns, this little button of Excel sorcery. Click it, and a magical window appears. Turn on the first option, Delimited, because we're delimiting, not delighting. Then hit Next. It's not Tinder, but go ahead and click it anyway. Now, since our names are separated by spaces, tick the space option. If yours are separated by commas and spaces, tick both, because Excel can handle more separation issues than your therapist. Click Next again. Welcome to yet another window, more options than a shady car financing deal. Stick to General. It's like Excel's way of saying, don't overthink it. You'll see a box showing where your shiny new separated names will appear, something like C3. If you leave it there, Excel will overwrite your original names, and chaos will reign, and you'll be angry with yourself. So instead, click that little arrow and pick cell D3, because we're civilized. Hit Enter, then Finish. Excel might ask, are you sure you want to replace the existing data? Sure, why not? I also want to go bungee jumping with SpongeBob SquarePants on the moon, but that's not happening either. Boom, look at that. Marshmallow separated. Chipmunk separated. Clarinet separated into multiple personalities, like a schizo. And there you go, you've just conquered data separation like a caffeinated ninja. Magic trick. Now, let's undo that with Ctrl+Z, or as I like to call it, the regret button. Write out just the first two names manually. Marcia, Mellow, then Chip, Monk. That's enough to teach Excel the pattern. Because Excel, unlike most people, actually learns from examples. Now press Ctrl and E together. Wowza. Look at that. The rest of the names just materialized faster than Samuel Tarley on a first date. Do the same for last names. Click Ctrl+E and bam, surnames fill faster than a gambler's regret. Do it again for our dynamic duo, Precious and Felony. What a friendship. Press Ctrl+E and boom, done. Excel finishes faster than my motivation on a Monday. Step 3, flash fill the final flex. Let's get brutal. Now suppose you've got the first name here, last name there. It's time for flash fill. Type out the first example. Head up to the ribbons and ensure you are on the data ribbon. Click flash fill, and just like your ex's excuses, the rest appear out of nowhere. And that, my fellow spreadsheet warriors, is how you separate first and last names without sacrificing your will to live. If you found this useful, enjoyable, or at least tolerable, hit like or subscribe, or both, if you're feeling reckless. Or better yet, buy my tragic funny novel. It's like self-help for comedy fans. Thanks, and see you in the next video, assuming Excel hasn't consumed you by then.
So beautiful to watch, like I never get tired. You make my life, there's no place for a smile, and I just want to die.